Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to secure your Gmail account and keep your personal information safe. First, open your web browser and go to myaccount.google.com/security. This is where you manage all your Google account security settings. Next, scroll down to how you sign into Google and click on two-step verification. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring two forms of identification before anyone can access your account. After that, choose a verification method that works best for you. Options include passkeys or security keys, Google prompts sent to your phone, authenticator apps like Google Authenticator, or using your phone number. For SMS codes, follow the on-screen instructions for your chosen method. Once setup is complete, your Gmail account will have stronger protection. Remember to review your security settings regularly to ensure your account stays safe. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.